Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So we are doing Throwback Thursday today, guys. So I've been seeing this video around YouTube for like the longest. I've seen it for years. I see people do it all the time. One of the people that I know does it all the time is Marnie from Miss Gold Girl. I really love her. I love her channel. I've been watching her for years and I know she does this periodically. This is the first time that I'm gonna do a video like this. So basically what this consists of is going back in the days into like your favorites and seeing if you still like those things. So originally I was going to go back to my Best of Beauty 2014, but I was kind of afraid that it was going to be a little too long. So I'm like, okay, let's just ease into this. So I went back 5 years. I went back to 2015 and I couldn't find a November favorites or a December favorites. So I went with October favorites. And let's just get into this, guys. This is kind of fun for me. I don't know, I kind of like this. Okay, so the first favorite I mentioned for October of 2015 was a plaid shirt that I did have on in the video. I'll insert a picture here. And let me tell you guys, I still have the same plaid shirt. I have had this shirt for so many years. It's very, very difficult for me to get rid of clothes, to be honest with you. Like, I'm always like, oh, but I'll wear this, you know, and such occasion, or, oh, I'll wear this when I'm skinnier, or, oh, you know, like last year was the first time that I took like a bunch. Like I would take things out here and there, but last year I took out a bunch of clothes out, but I still have a lot. Like I still feel like I need a true closet clean out. But of course, I'm not going to get rid of my plaid shirts because I always wear these during the fall time. I have several different ones, guys, but I love this red one because I love like the color scheme. I don't remember where I got this one from. Oh, it's Old Navy. So I got this from Old Navy. I don't even know what year I got it from, but I'm wearing it in that video, which I should have worn it in this video. I'm going to put it on. You know how I am, guys. All right, I'm going to put it on. Always wear it during this time of year. We always have activities at the school too, where we dress up and we have like a Western day. And don't mind like my really fall shirt underneath, but yes. So I am wearing the shirt. Oh my God, guys, that turkey like right in the middle, like throws everything off. It's so clear. It's so crazy, but it's okay. So yeah, guys, I still have it. I still love these. I like to wear them. I don't ever get rid of them because I use them like every single year. So I'm like, what's the point of getting rid of it? Getting like another, like I'll add some to them, but I really like this one because it's red and it has like those pretty colors that I like. So yeah, guys, I still love this plaid shirt. The next thing that I mentioned, I also have it here, and it's this cowboy hat that I got from Target. It's this one right here. I still have it and I still love it, and I don't think I'll get rid of it. I don't think this is gonna look good right now, but I really love this, guys. Like I love it for like any of those like Western day type of activities. I've worn it to like the activities at the school on Western days. I have pictures. If I find one, I'll insert it so you guys can kind of see. And I think I did wear this same shirt. It was either last year or the year before. I think I wore this same shirt and the same hat like for our Western day activity. I've worn different ones. I have like a pink one where I put my braid to the side. Like I love it. Because I love this season as well. So it's like, you know. Yeah, guys, so that's that. Still love it. Okay, next thing that I mentioned in that video, which is so funny, is that I was loving pumpkin everything. And guys, if you know me, you know I'm still exactly the same. I still love pumpkin everything. I love pumpkin, guys. I love pumpkin. I love it in sweets. I love it in like drinks. I love it. I love pumpkin. So yes, the more pumpkin stuff they come out with, the happier I am. I even have like a pumpkin, like a pumpkin everything taste test on my video from like probably 2 or 3 years back that I did with my kids. Like if you know me, you know I love pumpkin. So yes, I still love pumpkin. All right, next thing I mentioned is the Fekkai Blowout Dry Shampoo. Guys, back then when I filmed that video, I hated dry shampoo. I never used that type of stuff back then. I didn't like it. I wasn't into it, but I got that Fekkai one in a subscription box. I don't remember if it was the Walmart, the Target, one of those, and I really fell in love with it. I remember that it smelled amazing, that I absolutely loved it. Like if I would have it, I would definitely use it again. I've just forgotten about it. The one that I really like right now is the Cake Beauty Dry Shampoo. That one has been my favorite. I'll insert a picture here because I didn't bring it with me, but that's the one I'm using right now. I love that one. But I would definitely go back to the Fekkai. Like I wouldn't mind it because the smell in that Fekkai one and the effectiveness of it was so great. So it's like right up there with my Cake Beauty. Like I would definitely use that one again. The next thing I mentioned were those boosters that you use for the laundry. I was so obsessed with those things for a really, really long time. And I would always use them, and I was like so crazy about them. And I even said in the video that like I would rather use that than like use laundry detergent. But now I've kind of switched over. I just get my laundry detergent with like Downy or Febreze, and the clothes smell amazing. So I love it like that. And I don't get the scent boosters. It's just like that's like an extra step when you already kind of have it in the laundry detergent. I don't use it like that anymore. So I just use regular laundry detergent with the softener smell in it. All right, the next thing I mentioned was the Conair Grooming Kit Electric Razor. I always use electric razor to shave like my thighs and all that stuff because I am very, very sensitive. So I can't really use like those regular razors on my thighs because I will get like bumps and all of that stuff because my legs are very sensitive. So I loved that Conair like grooming kit razor. I have then switched to this one that we got, and I don't even remember where we got this, how we got this, where it came from, but this is another one that I'm using right now. It's Andis, I guess is the brand. But it's kind of like the same thing. You see, it's like kind of like a grooming kit type of thing. I don't remember if this is for women or not, or if it's like a men's grooming thing as well. I don't remember, but this is the one I use and I definitely like it. My husband still has that Conair one and I'll still use it if need be because it's still really good. I mentioned this coconut oil deep repair mask. I still remember that and I loved it for a really, really long time and it was very good. However, I kept purchasing it and the other ones that I got just kept smelling more and more like alcohol. So I did not like it. I switched over. There are so many hair masks that are so much better now. I've used all types of different ones. I'm not like obsessed with any specific one. Got sent one, I think it was from L'Oreal, like the Revive or whatever. That one is really good. Currently, I'm using the OGX and Candy Johnson one, which is very good as well. There are so many now, so I'm like, whatever. I got that one on a whim and I really loved it because I know coconut oil is really, really good for your hair and it smelled amazing and it was great. But the more I kept using it, like the other ones I got, they were all smelling like alcohol, like really, like a really, really strong smell. So I was like, okay, no. So I stopped getting it. And then I've since have ventured out on different hair masks. Elf blush in Wanderlust. And to be honest with you guys, I could have sworn that I still had that blush. I don't know why. Either I got rid of it in like my blush declutter. I don't remember that though. I could have sworn that I still had it. But yeah, I guess I haven't used it ever since. Since then, there's all different blushes that I like. Like I have a lot. But one of the palettes that I reach for a lot and I really like is the one from Alamar. That's their Colorete Blush Trio. I love that it's a trio. I love that you have options. This one is not that similar to Wanderlust. Wanderlust was more like purpley. I'll show you one that's kind of similar to that I really like as well. But this is the one I've been reaching for lately a lot. And I really, really enjoy it. I love it. And I have a lot of blushes. It's not like I'm just married to this one and I have to use that one. Like, there's a lot that I like. And the one that I like that I think is very similar to the e.l.f. Wanderlust is the Makeup Geek Soulmate one. And this is what it looks like. It's very similar because it's that kind of like mauve-y pinky type color. So yeah, I like this one too. The next thing that I mentioned, Maybelline lipstick in Red Revolution. You guys are gonna die. I still have that, guys. I still have it. I still love it. I still have a ways to go. I'm not throwing it away. I'm gonna keep video, but I'll swatch it here too. I still really, really love it. It's a beautiful red color. It's not my favorite red color. There are so many red lippies that I have, and I'm literally gonna piggyback on my friend Dianelli's for this. She wants to do like a red lippy collection, like her favorite red lipsticks. I'm gonna do that. I'm definitely gonna do that because I have so many that I could share with you guys. I did share a bunch in my favorite fall lippies. You guys should check that out too. But oh my God, there's just so many. There's so many red lipsticks. Like right now, I can tell you that right now, one that I'm loving recently is this one that I got from Ace Beauty and So Gorgeous. And this is like a lip pencil, but this is amazing, guys. It's very similar to it actually, but this is so beautiful and it goes on like butter. Well, it looks similar, but it really isn't. This is more red. Guys, a lot of you have like complimented me on a recent video where I'm wearing this. Absolutely gorgeous, guys. Gorgeous red color. There's so many that I could share with you that they're just so beautiful. But yes, I still love it and I still have it. Next thing I mentioned was the Nars Creamy Concealer in Light Vanilla. Oh my God, guys. I remember this, and I actually had an anecdote in the video about my cousin that she had like used it for her daughter's 15s and she was obsessed with it. And I think I had recommended her to it, but I definitely haven't used that concealer since then. I've used a plethora of concealers. I can tell you that my favorite is the Smashbox 24-hour concealer. Definitely love it. I don't have that one here. The other one that I absolutely love is the Jeffree Star Magic Star. Is that what it's called? This is an amazing concealer too. Like, just the packaging is like, but it's really, really good. Like, this concealer is very good. So those are two that I absolutely love. I definitely use different ones, but I really like to kind of stick to those two because I really, really like them a lot. And the last thing that I mentioned in here is my Cinema Secrets makeup brush cleaner. You guys know that I will never steer from them. I love the Cinema Secrets makeup brush cleaner. I absolutely love it. Now, right now I'm using a different makeup brush cleaner that's pretty good. Of course, it's never gonna be like, I'm so obsessed with my Cinema Secrets that I don't see any of them up to par, but I wanna use what I have and I wanna use them up before I repurchase my Cinema Secrets. So right now I'm using this one from Beauty Creations that is, that I got in like one of their mystery boxes, I think. And this is the Instant Brush Cleanser Mist. It's alcohol free, no rinse, and quick dry. So far it's working great. I use most of this to spot clean. Right now, to deep clean, I've been spot cleaning a lot. So I haven't deep cleaned in a while because I just try to clean them like right when I use them. Of course, I definitely have to deep clean. Last time, what I used, I think, was baby shampoo. I do have this cleanser here that I want to try. This is a brush cleanser and conditioner. And I don't remember where I got that from. I have not tried this yet, but I definitely want to try it. But yeah, Cinema Secrets is holy grail. I love Cinema Secrets. You guys know that for me is like, I love it so much. So yeah, guys, it was fun for me to revisit my October 2015 favorites. I can't believe it's been 5 years since then. It's so crazy. Oh my God, guys. So yeah, I'm hoping to do these more often. I really kind of like this. It's interesting. I like it. I like going back and like, oh my God, yeah, and oh my God, I remember this product or that product. And sometimes you kind of remember things that you really, really loved and you kind of can like repurchase or use them or whatever. Let me know what you guys thought of this kind of video if you guys enjoyed it. Let me know what you guys thought of this kind of video, if you enjoyed it, etc., etc. All right, my loves, don't forget to like, comment, subscribe. I love you guys so much, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye, my loves.